Activia. Well, I was going to do an air conditioner video, and probably not going to anymore. It's super windy outside and the power went out, so not much I can do with the air conditioners right now. There was a big gust of wind, and then I heard a loud buzzing sound outside. Sounded like a electrical arc, probably a tree fell on a power line. And the power kind of came back on and went out a few times, and now it's completely out. So, and I think there's probably a lot of problems around the area because it's very windy out. So hopefully it doesn't get too cold in the house. I got those lanterns going upstairs, and I have a generator if necessary, and we do have a wood stove, so I might have to light that if it does get too cold. But as far as white noise goes, I'm going to have to be using my battery-powered fans, like that Geek Air right there, and that battery-powered Holmes fan. Got plenty of gas lanterns and battery-powered lanterns, so we should be good. And I got lots of flashlights. Sometimes being a flashlight nerd comes in very handy. And we usually don't get winter power outages around here. It's usually in the summertime, so this will be interesting depending on how long it takes to get the power restored. When the power goes out to this, the backlight turns off, but it is still working. It's about 35 degrees outside right now, and about 68 in the house. So it's not too terribly cold, but it's supposed to get pretty cold tonight, so hopefully the house doesn't get really cold. There is a wind advisory in effect right now, I think till 9 p.m. It's like 5:47 right now. The gusts are pretty crazy, but not getting a big gust right now, but we will eventually. Definitely pays to be prepared. I got lots of batteries too. Those are all solar lights. I know you can't really see anything, but it's very windy now. It's also really nice to have these power banks for charging stuff. Probably going to use that rechargeable fan first, and then if that loses power, I'll switch over to the Holmes that you can't even see because it's so dark. That one uses D batteries. That one is rechargeable. Now the power just came back on right as I recorded that last part of the video. That's no fun. Well, the battery-powered fans are back in storage. Still windy out, so maybe the power will go out again, but I doubt it. A few years ago, after we had a major windstorm, it was basically a severe thunderstorm that came through, and really high winds. I know this area in particular was without power for several days. And that's quite a long time to be without power for this area. Usually power outages are several hours long, but that one was very long. So this one was pretty short, kind of boring to me. I actually get kind of excited when the power goes out because it's just fun to use your emergency gear, but I know obviously it would have gotten pretty cold in the house, so didn't want that to happen.